Hello my lovelies, so today I'm doing 5-minute eye and I thought I will use the Charlotte Tilbury Bejewelled eyes to hypnotize. I haven't used Charlotte Tilbury for ages and I think I will go with the Dream Glow, which is the purple bit, but I think I might mix it with Huda Beauty Rose Quartz, and that's because this Dream Glow trio doesn't have a matte eyeshadow to maybe go in a crease. I know you don't need to have the matte one, but I prefer it. And also this lighter color is not as pink as I would want it to be, so I might dip in to Huda Beauty. Before I do this, I just want to do a short disclaimer. That's because I had a complaint that these videos are not 5-minute eyes. You could never do it in 5 minutes. You obviously just do one eye. You cut out all the other bits. Yes, and I trust that you all understand that. So this is not that you can do this look in 5 minutes, although I can easily do one eye in 5 minutes. This is about the video, the actual tutorial being around 5 minutes, because I understand that not everybody has time to sit through half-an-hour video. That's why I call those videos that. And also please let me know if you enjoyed these videos. I see by the views that they are quite popular. I sometimes think the videos that I do when I buy a new palette and I do like 5 looks with that palette are not doing so well, and that might be because they are quite long. They are about 30 minutes long. So I don't know if from now on, if I get a new palette, I might do just one look and review the palette, and then the rest do like 5-minute eyes. Okay, let's do it. With Rifa 01, I am going to go to that dark purple in a Dream Glow. Oh, let me clip my hair away. These clips I bought years ago in Spain, so I can't give you a link for them. And I am going to start in my outer 7. Saturate that color, sort of stamp it, and then start giving it a shape and start pulling it in and above your crease. And keep doing that till you get the desired depth and saturation of that color. I might be okay actually not using any matte eyeshadow to blend it out, because although this is shimmer eyeshadow, it's not like foiled, it's not really shimmery. So now I turn this brush from that way to that way and blend it upwards. Yeah, I think this will be fine without using any matte eyeshadow, because once you start blending it out, the shimmer gets less and less shimmery. With Rifa 03, I'm going to go to the same eyeshadow. I might actually wet my brush tiny bit, and I am going to apply it on my lower lash line. Always make it darker on the outer portion of your eye, and with whatever you've got left, drag it towards inner corner. I take Rifa 12 Rifa 12 clean and just slightly blend it out, buff it out just underneath. Sonia G Soft Shader, I am going to go into this middle eyeshadow in the Dream Glow. and just overlap slightly that purple. I'm not going all the way down, just in the middle and overlap it. It's a beautiful color. Now with the other side of this brush, I am going to go to Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette, and I'm going to go to Self Love and apply that on a inner portion of my lid. That goes beautifully with this look. I am also going to apply Self Love just under my eyebrow arch. And with the Rifa 23, I'm going to apply Self Love in the inner corner. Might have to wet it. Whenever you want a bit more intense look, wet your brush. Now I'm going to take Maybelline Tattoo Liner in Rich Amethyst, and I am going to, like I normally do, apply it sort of halfway near my lash line, wing it a bit at the end, and on the bottom just on like 1/3 of my eye. And mascara. And that's the finished look. On my lips I have the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. I don't know if this is still available. I would like another one because this one is a bit old now. But I might top it off with the Too Faced Gloss All the Stars, because you know I don't really like the feel of matte lipstick, but I like the staying power. So I usually top it off a bit with some sort of gloss. Okay, my lovelies, I really like it. I have to start using Charlotte Tilbury a bit more. Her eyeshadows are amazing. I don't know, I've been a bit on a Natasha Denona kick lately, but I definitely love Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadows as much. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.